bumangon na ako. May trabaho na si Elma. So, ang ginawa ko, for cake, ginawa ko yung mga shells. Tapos, dun sa patungan ng dikdikan, lalagyan ko lang ng stick na may fire. Yun lang, ganun kasimple lang iniisip ko. Ako, naghahanap ako ng flowers. Habang tulog si Selena, eksakto tulog. Earlier, sa camp, may naspatan na ako na flowers. I put stick with some balloons, and then I got her torch, and then waited.
Pagising ni Solen, hindi pa niya napapansin yung nangyayari sa likod. Kasi nakatingin lang siya dito isang side. Excited kami pagising ni Solen para kantahan siya ng happy birthday.
Si Miko excited na. Sa ako rin, siyempre parang hindi ko alam kung paano i-pull off yung surprise. Si Mama Elma, eksakto nagluluto, naisip pa namin na dun sa kanin, baka pwede namin gawing pudding, tapos nagagay yung stick na may apoy para yun yung maliit na cupcake, birthday cake. Ang tagal niya bago makita niya yung surprise. So, we waited patiently.
How's your rice bag? How's the rice bag for you? What do you guys do?
Happy birthday!
Oh my God, that's so
Happy
cute.
birthday! Happy birthday!
So when I looked back at the friends, ay, ano to? Tapos they all started singing happy birthday and they were jumping around and
Hello! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Solen! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Solen! Ngiti siya, masaya lahat kami. Siyempre, na-surprise din naman siya na kahit na sa simpleng bagay na ginawa namin, nakita namin na napasaya namin si Solen. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Solen! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Okay, so
for me, like, it was so unexpected. Like, I knew they would say happy birthday or like that, pero may extra effort. Kahit walang, like, thing sa island, they still made my birthday super masaya. Like, tapos may decoration, may balloon pa. I wish we get all the amenities to come.
Yay! Yeah! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Yung reaction niya, yung nakita niya, talagang sabi daw niya, this is the best birthday I've ever had. Tapos nakapag-ano pa siya, birthday wish, tapos she wished something for the tribe.
Picture tayo na, picture. Alam, matupad yung wish mo. Picture.
Mama L.
Picture, picture. Picture.
How old are you?
Ano na, picture lang. Ayun na, dali ka lang. Ito mo, SLR2. Camera ko. Panis ang camera mo. 5
You make a goofy smile,
5 lang ha, 5 ha. 2 shots ha, 2 shots. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah! Birthday picture!
It was really exciting, tapos Mama L prepared lugaw kasi walang cake, but it was good enough and I was really so happy.